Everybody. Spirit wants us to get back to the basics and trust the magic. They want us to get positive and excited for the future. Believe in yourself. See yourself doing well, and you will. They also want us to be patient. Your prayers have been heard and they will be answered. All in divine timing, guys. You can overcome obstacles that come your way, and you've ended all these problems that you've had on you, probably other people's things that does not serve you any longer. Be careful, do not take risks, follow your own light in all situations, and that is going to bring you happiness. Something you wished for in the past is coming to light very soon. It's going to really make you happy. So stay positive. You are being protected from negative forces that are beyond your control, and they want you to know you are going to receive a visitor, and obviously you need to share with this visitor. This visitor is going to take you out of your anxiety and troubles and problems that you still have. Archangel Raphael is here and he says a positive new emotional experience is coming your way. You are getting strong within yourself and there is improvements already underway. And the animal spirit wants you to know that you must trust the great mystery and know your own worth. Have a lovely evening, everybody. Night, night.